good morning everyone. So before we jump into our discussion, let us please stand up. And Miss Anna Lu will be the leader.
Father in heaven, pray, Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
So good morning everyone.
Good morning,
So before we please pick up small pieces of paper. Thank you. So again, good morning everyone. I am your student teacher for today's lesson. My name is Maria Alejandra. So before we jump into our discussion, let us check your attendance. Say I when your name is called. Banson, Orejas, Mabani, Bueno. Okay. Since you're all here, the topic for today is makeup products. So before we go our discussion, let's have an activity first. So our activity for today is get ready, set, makeup. So during your adolescence, have you explored beauty products? None? Lipstick, pulbos, lip tint, especially during pandemic time.
Just release.
Okay. So, yeah. So our activity is get ready, set, makeup. So I will pick one product and I will say the usage and papangalanan nyo kung ano siyang klaseng makeup product. Okay. So, ginagamit siya to conceal blemishes, imperfections, acne from your face. Very good. We use this every day to have a color para hindi tayo mukhang anemic or correct. So now, can you please read our objectives?
At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to identify the benefits of each makeup product and differentiate the use of each product applied to our face, in terms of proper makeup hygiene and self-expression. Demonstrate the proper way to apply makeup on the face.
So now, I have a so what do you think is the purpose of wearing makeup? Yes, please go no.
So, first, para present public tawag, especially pag ano na occasion. So, first, gamit ka makeup. Para di ka able tawag.
Next is why do you think some people wear makeup or do you wear makeup? Yes, Miss Banson.
Para mas mo high ang confidence sa ilang self.
Thank you. Last, what do you think is important to consider before applying makeup on your face? What do you think is important to consider before applying makeup on your face? So, okay. So, some things na merong important i-consider before tayo mag-apply ng makeup. Syempre, first, maghilamos ka, maluto ka, wash your hands because it is to maintain a proper hygiene. Kasi it is important to consider a proper hygiene for applying makeup. It is para hindi tayo magkaroon ng ating clothes, hindi masakad ang ating face. So now, for the discussion of terms. So here, proper hygiene, clean hands and skin. Don't forget to sponges and bursts. Why? Why do you think so kailangan siyang linisin din? Aside from your skin.
Kasi naman nabubutang nalaman sa sponge.
Yes.
So, dapat nilihan yun.
Yes. But next is particular attention to brush cleaning. Same as sa sponge. Next, always sanitize and sharpen pencils. Next is disinfect cosmetics after each client if kayo ay isang makeup artist. Next, toner. Toner is a great extra step to remove excess makeup residue after cleansing your complexion. So do you use toner? No? Toner and cleanser are two different types of product. Cleanser is to cleanse your face, removes dirt. Same as also sa toner. But sa toner, it gives you a bright mas siyang tingnan kaysa sa cleanser. Next is serum. Please, Ms. Orejas. Ms. Orejas, please read and give your insights.
Serum used to manage specific skin concerns such as wrinkles, acne, dry skin, and dullness. So, I think mga kami sa itong mga hindi pakaway ng mga acne, mga wrinkles, na itong mga dry skin, kung magamit na na mo sa mga itong face.
Yes. So this one is a serum. Ganun siya ganun. So it is a nicotinamide collagen repair serum. Next is moisturizer. Please come on in, please.
Moisturizer, it helps hydrate the skin, maintaining its elasticity and resistance or flakiness. So, before putting makeup, it's important to put first the moisturizer para hydrate yung skin throughout the day and also para mas mapalaya sa makeup.
Thank you, Ms. Kabani. Next, we have the sunscreen. So sunscreen is also very important even sa hindi kayo mag-apply ng makeup. So the purpose, yes. The purpose of the sunscreen is to protect the skin cells from the sun damage. So why? Ms. Guarino, why do we have to use sunscreen?
So, it's sunscreen para protection sa skin, especially sa face, para hindi siya dali masuyo. Kung naka-apply na mga skincare, of course, need yun na mag-apply ko ka sunscreen.
Thank you, Ms. Guarino. Next, we have the foundation. So this one, as you can see, I have two different shades of foundation. I have the dark one and also the light one. So it is important to also choose the right shade for your face. Why? If you apply dark shade to your face, if you have a light skin, what will happen? Your face will turn gray or grayish na color. If you have a dark skin also and you apply a light shade of foundation, ang mahina sa iyong face is grayish tone. So it is really important to find a perfect match foundation or shade to your skin. So foundation primarily serves to create an even, unique complexion serving as base for other facial makeup products. So usually, foundations are applied first to create a base para sa makeup. Next, we have a concealer. So this one is a concealer. So I have this one. So concealer hides dark circle, age spots, blemish, and more by pigments and then make this perfect in skin. So I will demonstrate on how to apply concealer. For example, okay, so always remember to wash your hands if you're going to use your hands if you're going to apply a product. So find any imperfections from your face. For example, pimples, kanina. So until mawala ang kanyang may umbok, di ba? Kaya just to hide pag mayo. Next, we have the blush. So this one, blush helps brighten your face and healthy glow contour your face. So based on your experience, dahil lang pa ng blush, Miss Jernason, because you have a very blush rosy cheeks. For you, what is the part of blush in your life?
I think that in this especially sa ating mga student, blooming na tao na ng faces.
Thank you, Ms. Vasquez. Next, we have a contour. So contour, find accentuates specific facial features such as higher cheekbones, imperfect jaw, or in the bridge of your nose or sides of the nose. As you see, natin nilalagay ang contour dito sa lower nose and also sa forehead. So it creates an illusion that have a snatched or slim na face. Kaya for example, mine, mag-lead ng contour, tapos so snatched or slim, lifted ang face ko. Next, we have the skin. So these two are different shades of skin. This one is lighter. This one is more orangey na may pagka. So this is the appearance by add color, definition, and sometimes short. Well, express style and meaning of look. As you see, this generation are different types of lipstick. Meron and also meron lipstick that adjusts to your lipstick. So, why is it important to know your skin type before applying your makeup? Next on us. Why is it important to know your skin type before applying makeup? Aside picture, there are different skin types, diba? We have a skin type, dry skin or skin. Yes. Next on us.
So, pinapakaroon na mo may pesa ko yung kaya ako yung dapat ang ating writing at like nila para dapat na para
Nakakaano ng moisture. Yes.
It is important to know skin type before applying makeup. Because sensitive and cover the
Yes.
So, there's a symbol if you gamit na makeup.
Please, let's give a hand for Miss Arena. Next, why is it important to consider if you are returning vegan before seeking makeup? So, kayo as a buyer, before buying a makeup, do you look at the labels, the ingredients? No. Diba sometimes when you use product, pag makita natin sa TikTok, okay, maganda siya si Perry Agdok ka. Okay, bye. Pag natin apply, hala, dry ang lips ko. Hala, ang face, pinaglubang-lubang. Diba? So, it is important to slowly and dance. So, sometimes, it's happening with
So, kinds of, so we have, for example, circle, moisturizer, blush, and so, and we also tackle why it's important to have to know the ingredients of the makeup and to your skin.
Thank you, Miss Fanny. Okay, now, so I have an activity. So, are you familiar with the trend sa TikTok na krem or get ready with me? So, now, let's demonstrate a step-by-step makeup routine bago sumak. Okay, so, I will put, so, magtulong na lang kayo. So, I will put your product here. And kailangan, step-by-step from the beginning to last. And how do you apply a proper makeup? I will give you 2 minutes. Okay lang. Okay lang. Your timer starts now. So you have to question based on the lesson. So, you're not a moisturizer or primer, concealer, contour. Okay, time's up. Please go back to your seats. So, you put toner as a first product to use. Correct. Serum. Correct. Moisturizer or primer. What's the good thing? Is that correct? Well, sunscreen and moisturizer can be interchanged. It depends on your skin type. Next, concealer. Mali. Foundation ang pinakauna. Foundation. Next is the concealer. Base. Next. Blush and contour. Sakto. This can also be interchanged. Lastly, lipstick. Congratulations! take a 1/4 sheet of paper. Or which one do you prefer? We will take the quiz by paper or by oral?
By paper.
Number 1. Okay. Look at paper, ma'am. Here. Napagigan ko rin ito. Ay, sorry. Okay. So, number 1. What makeup product is used to even out the skin tone and create a smooth base? A. Lipstick. B. Foundation. C. Blush. D. Eyeliner. Again, what makeup product is used to even up the skin and create a smooth base? Number 2. Which product is applied to the cheeks to add a healthy and rosy glow? A. Concealer. B. Contour. C. Blush. D. Serum. Again, which product is applied to the cheeks to add a healthy rosy glow? Number 3. What makeup product is used to cover dark spots and blemishes? A. Foundation. B. Moisturizer. C. Concealer. D. Toner. Again, what makeup product is used to cover dark spots and blemishes? Number 4. Which product is important to protect the skin from the sun before applying makeup? A. Primer. B. Toner. C. Sunscreen. D. Lip gloss. Again, which product is used to protect the skin from the sun before applying makeup? Lastly, what is the main purpose of contour in makeup application? A. Moisturize the skin. B. Add color to the lips. C. Brighten the under eye area. D. Differentiate facial features. Again, what is the main purpose of contour in makeup application? Okay? Please pass your paper to the front. Okay, thank you, Ms. Kabadli. And for your assignment, it is titled Know Your Makeup Products. Please read.
Yes. Know your makeup products. On the sheet of paper, answer the following. List 5 makeup products below. Write one sentence for each product explaining its use. Which skin type, oily, dry, or normal, do you think the products are best for? Example, foundation, used to even out the skin tone. Best for normal skin.
Okay, thank you, class. That will be all. See you on May 26th on Monday. Bye, class.
Bye, ma'am. Okay po na, please.
Jawa.
Oh, nalay ng 23.
Quiz